Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need to confirm that your PC actually uses Intel integrated graphics. Open Device Manager and note the Intel GPU model. This matters for compatibility. Once done, make sure you're on Windows 10 or 11 with store access and sign in with an administrator account so installations can proceed. Now connect to the internet and close other apps. This prevents driver conflicts. With hardware and account verified, you're ready to fetch the official Intel graphics app the proper way. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Intel Graphics Command Center. Install that app because it's the supported control panel for modern Intel GPUs. If the store version isn't compatible, run Intel Driver and Support Assistant to detect and install the right driver package. That installs the control interface as part of the graphics stack. Make sure to accept prompts and allow driver installation. Once finished, restart Windows so the new driver and control panel fully register with the system and appear in your Start menu. After reboot, open Intel Graphics Command Center and verify your GPU is listed and settings are available. Set your desired resolution, scaling, and power profiles. If the app doesn't appear, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update the Intel driver manually or roll back any faulty driver. As a key troubleshooting tip, if installs fail, boot into safe mode, uninstall the Intel graphics driver, reinstall the latest driver or store app, then reboot normally. That usually clears persistent conflicts and restores the control panel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.